Very good afternoon, everyone. Today we have a topic that is division of space into cells. In other words, we can say that how number of cells can be divided into particular space. So suppose we have G1, G2, G3 up to so on Gk are the number of cells. Like G1 is in first state and G2 is in second compartment. Similarly, Gk is kth compartment respectively. So capital G be the total number of cells into which the space is divided. So we can say that addition of these is equal to capital G, that is G1, G2, G3 up to so on Gk is equal to G, which is equation number 1. So as we know, the division of space into cells further change the thermodynamic probability of state, that is n1, n2, n3 up to so on nk, because we distribute n particles in ith compartment, that is meaningful arrangement, right? So according to that, we can say that Ni particle can go into Gi cells in Gi into Ni raised to power ways. According to that, all the compartments having number of meaningful arrangements, so it will be N MF, that is meaningful arrangement, is equal to G1 into N1, G2 raised to power N2, that means G2 is arranged by N2 ways. Similarly, G3 up to so on Gk, these notation is equal to Gi whole raised to power Ni, where I varies from 1 to k, right? So we consider the cell into which each compartment has been divided, the arrangement of particle within the compartment into its value, various cells become meaningful. So relation will be W into N1, N2, N3 up to so on Nk is equal to n factorial divided by n1 factorial n2 up to so on nk must be multiplied with the total number of ways, that is n meaningful arrangements in which the particle in various compartment can be arranged in cells within those very compartments, right? So if we talk about the total number of microstate in the macrostate, which is given by this relation, okay, this factor is multiplied with the number of meaningful arrangement. So W is equal to n factorial, this whole factor, and this factor is equal to n factorial, where I varies from 1 to k, Gi whole raised to power Ni divided by Ni factorial. Okay, as we know that this factor is known as thermodynamic probability for this macrostate, and for each of W macrostate is same probability. So that's why we can write P into N1 up to so on Nk is equal to P, right? So this is the probability of a macrostate is proportional to thermodynamic probability, that is W. So in this article we studied the two-dimensional equal size means equal area, and in three-dimensional equal size means equal volume, okay, in which number of Gi cells can be distributed in particular space. That's it.